Welcome to this video, guys. I'm going to show you today how to replace the headlights, but most important, because the headlights are simple, the running light on the headlight. So if you see, this here is a running light on my Toyota Supra, and I'm going to show you how it looks. I turn it on and you see that this is LED already, and this is not working, and this is the halogen, and which this is broken, but that is working. So you see the difference is clear. So I am going on this video to upgrade or change, not sure if I would call this upgrade. I'm gonna change to LED because I want to, and it's gonna be useful if you're trying to replace the headlights on your Toyota Supra and you don't know how. So stay tuned. Cool thing about the 80s and 90s, you didn't have screws on those guys, so you have those tabs. You pull those tabs, they pop out, and they should flip up, sort of. So take it out. This is the filter. I'm gonna take it out. So you grab it here, pull forward, and then pull up. I'm gonna put it somewhere that is cleaner. Now you have access to most everything. The lights are, let me get a flashlight here. So there you go. So those here are the headlights, right? So you have the low beam, high beam, in here and in here. So the main thing is each one of them has a tab, and the tab is outside. It's like outside, it's almost at the end. So you press on that tab. Usually it won't unclick like this. It just did it because I replaced this already. But you press and push in, and it's gonna make your life easier, and then you just push out. Right? So once you push out, let me take this out here. It's free. Now these here you just twist. So you twist up and out. It's hard one hand, but there you go. So you just take it out, wiggle a little bit, and then you see how it goes. So you put back in there, push all the way to the end, and good to go. Now you go click your thing again, and all until you hear the click, and done. The other one is exactly the same thing. Have a tab, and then you twist, and good to roll. Now, the monster. That one is hard. It's a full throttle. It's not a monster. Here, see down there. I don't know if you can tell. I'm gonna try to point my finger. See this white? Okay. So see that white thing down there? There's a little tab. You need to go in there and twist, but it's gonna be pretty hard. So what I did was I got a 19mm, put like this on the one tab on one side, another tab on the other side, and I flip it up so we kind of broke it loose, and then you go with your hand, finish twisting, and it twists to the inside of the car. Let me show you how it comes out. I don't know, that's a weird design for this thing here. It's so hard, but it's like that. Look, it's a long stick, and this is the light. So mine is burnt, and I got new ones. Interesting thing is I got lights for the dash, and they fit on that, so that's weird. So I don't know, I'm gonna put in here. I might need my two hands in there. Be sure that this thing here is aligned. Put it in there. I got the gloves because it's cold here and it's easier for me to grab with the gloves. So go in there. This is cruel. even now, like to put inside, it's like now it is there, but it's not gonna work. So you gotta twist. Yeah, there you go. So before I put everything together, we're gonna see if it works. Running light. Oh yeah, it needs to be something like stronger than that. Now, driving light and the high beam. Oh yeah, there you go. That's the driving light, high beam. There you go. I think this is yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I like it. I think it's you need something a little brighter. Yeah, look at the other side. Yeah. There we go. I found one of those big boys here. It has 4 sides and one on the top. I'm gonna put the link on the description of all of this, but let's see how it looks. So there you go. Now we have the whole thing. We have the running light. Then we have the normal light, and then the high one. And there you go. So it's much better than the dashboard. So you don't want to use that one. Yeah, that's the difference. Cannot even compare, huh? So watch my other video, one before this one, to see what the difference is between HID, which is LED, which is here, and halogen. Yeah. So watch one video before this one, my last video, of course. That's going to show you the difference between halogen and LED driving at night. Of course, I'm going to do the other side now. As you think, there's no difference. I mean, worst case, you need to unhook the battery to get more space, but I don't think you need more space in here. It's just here, this bottom part here is a big constraint. By the way, I mean, you don't need me to tell you how to put this back together, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. This goes there, push down there, and there's a bunch of wires here. I think they are putting like positives and negatives together. I gotta look into those later. I just bought the car. Then this goes down here. Yep, and be sure you're not pinching anything. And pull those things up. Good to roll. So, yeah, easy as that. Took me 5 minutes to get them all. So, alright, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button. You're gonna get a lot more about the cars. Currently doing stuff on the Supra, which is a new addition to the family. That's my dream car. And forget about those things here. That's how it happens when you have 2 kids. The Eclipse I'm tuning. So yeah, we're having a knocking noise. The knocking is gone. You know, so we're gonna go for a ride. I have some upgrades on my fuel table that I did last night. Yeah. So stay tuned, and I'll see you later. Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.